Hi everybody, Jackie here with Brian Weber from Weber Automotive. Hi Brian.
Hello Jackie, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Awesome today.
Good. So Brian Weber is the owner of Weber Automotive, and they do great service for tires, and they just got this new machine that is really cool. So tell me a little bit about that, Brian.
Yeah, so the machine we picked up is made by Hunter, and it's a wheel balancer that has a road force simulator on it. And if we look at the screen, I'll put the dot on it. That wheel actually, as the wheel's spinning to be balanced, it puts 1,200 pounds of pressure against it, simulating the road force against the tires.
Wow.
So instead of just spinning and balancing, it also simulates the road force. And what it amounts to is that it's an incredibly accurate balance. So the cars just roll down the road super smooth. It's the latest technology. It's the fifth generation of that type of balancing machine. And we also picked up a matching tire changer. So for the newer, lower profile performance run flat type tires, it is really a fantastic machine. Everything that contacts the wheel is plastic, so you can't possibly scratch a wheel.
Wow.
And it makes it a lot easier for us to change it.
So just again, providing the highest quality auto care that you guys
Absolutely.
can, especially
Yeah.
with tires, right?
Absolutely.
So compared to a regular tire balancer, something that doesn't apply this pressure and this force, what's that extra value you're getting? Is it just a better balance, or is it also better balance for longer?
Better balance for longer and a better balance. It just makes it ultra smooth going down the road. The most people that have experienced a shake that we've corrected were just like, wow, I can't believe how smooth this car is now.
It's like driving butter.
Yeah, it just floats like on a cloud because it's so smooth.
That's so awesome.
Yeah, and it makes a real difference because you might have those tires in the car for 30, 40, 50, 60,000 miles or longer, and you kind of get used to it. But when it's smooth, you just love it every day.
It's like that new car feeling again.
Yeah,
almost a little bit.
Exactly.
So, and you guys carry a lot of different tires here. So what kind of tires can you carry, and what kind of deals and tire services do you offer at Weber Automotive?
We do great deals on tires. We don't do gimmicks. We don't do upselling. We only carry quality tires. We don't like to do cheap, inferior, only price type tires because we know you're going to be unhappy for 30, 40,000 miles with the way the car drives, and it does make a huge difference. So we primarily deal in General and Continental tires, but we can get all makes and brands.
All makes and brands.
All makes and brands, yeah. If somebody's got a particular tire they want, we can do that. We have road hazard. Free road hazard comes with the General and Continental brands.
Wow.
And we also have nationwide road hazard we offer. And the equipment we offer allows us to do a really good job. We're the only independent tire facility or repair facility in the city that has tire machines like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, so you guys heard it here first, Weber Automotive, the only automotive place offering tire service with this kind of machine. They're giving you the best quality when they balance your tires, as well as the best quality tires, the great value, good warranties. Give them a call or visit them at weberautomotive.com. Thanks, Brian.
Thank you, Jackie.